our air quality is improving, another cold front dropping in from the northwest brings the chance for a few isolated strong to severe storms later today. Although, gotta say, the model trends really not showing anything happening here across West Michigan. It just shows a lot of these storms getting eaten away by the smoke as they arrive. But there is still a decent enough amount of energy to worry about maybe some storms with some gusty winds at times, 50 to 60 miles an hour, and perhaps some pea-sized hail. We are included in the yellow slight risk, which is a level 2 out of 5, and just indicates that there is enough energy to sustain the storms, but doesn't necessarily look at all of those other outside factors. Right now, our temperatures are in the upper 70s and low 80s, and it's actually very comfortable, especially since our air quality is continuing to improve. Most of us now have moderate air quality, and we just are waiting for this front to come through. So this is already driving some scattered storms across the UP and into Wisconsin, and we'll have to watch to see what those do as they get a little bit closer. But we're probably not going to see much in terms of storms arriving here until at least maybe 11 to midnight, and that may even be a bit optimistic. Temperatures will continue to fall a few degrees here and there, but as we get towards around the midnight time frame, low 70s is where we'll be, which is warm enough to get some of these storms to remain on the stronger side. This new model run keeps everything strong to our north out towards the Cadillac area and just brings in a couple of scattered showers, maybe not even a rumble of thunder through the early morning hours. The last model run did have a little bit more than this, but the trend throughout today has been to delay the rain and to weaken those storms as they arrive. We do really need the rain at this point in time. We've only had about half an inch of rain in West Michigan for all of July, but it does not look like this storm system is going to deliver much of that to us. For tomorrow, as we get a secondary cold front coming in, that will help to change our wind direction around from the northwest, and it will be sustained at 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting at times a little bit higher. The upper 70s and low 80s will feel really nice, but the wind is going to be problematic for the beaches because we may end up seeing wave heights of 5 to 8 feet. And this is going to be something that unfortunately will likely last into Wednesday as well. It's probably not going to be until Thursday that we see some improving conditions for the waves. They'll be back down to 1 to 3 feet at that point in time. All of this is happening within a big pattern change. We have a large low pressure system diving down from Canada and drawing in all of that cool air with it, and that will be in place through about Thursday, and our high pressure from before is getting pushed back to the west. So we are really going to see a huge change in our forecast from recent because it's been very, very hot for a lot of July. Including today, we've only had 3 below average days, but we'll continue to stay below average all the way through Friday, most likely. The coolest days of the week look to be Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the 70s, and we'll have morning temperatures in the 50s. And with improving air quality too, you may even be able to open up your windows a little bit, especially to enjoy that 53 that we'll be waking up to on Thursday morning. We'll be warming up progressively through the remainder of the week and the weekend with another chance for rain and storms Sunday.